Okay, so I'm here. Like that. Okay, this is gonna be really bad, but I'm gonna do my best. This is because I love you, and I'm honestly improvising, so. Listen, I have officially cracked the code, okay? Okay. Listen, I, Daniel Lopez, have officially cracked the code of being peak human. And it's called being my girlfriend. All right, so the reason why I'm back here is because I don't have any good lighting in my room, and this is the only like nice eye level place, unless you want to look at me from the height of my dick, which I don't think is very nice. So instead, this is the light from the window. That's the only place I can put the computer. Deal with it. Regardless, this video is about why my girlfriend, insert here, is peak. Okay? And I'm gonna go through a couple of reasons using the golden circle. Okay? If you don't know what that is, it's something that I'll talk about later. so, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is why she is amazing. Okay? Why should more people be like my girlfriend? Easy. Yes, I have a script because I cannot memorize the whole thing. Why should more people be like my girlfriend? She's the perfect blend of kindness, strength, and straight up goddess energy. Okay, we're talking about Cleopatra. Wait, Cleopatra wasn't a goddess. Athena. Athena was cool. And no, I'm not a Sith. Quote me on that. But in an academic way, this is research on how we can make more women like her. So, we live in a world where people either flex their looks or flex their hustle. But she's got both. She's German, Lebanese, okay? Genetically blessed with the looks of a Lebanese woman. Now, I'm not saying that I'm into Lebanese women, okay? I'm just saying that she's blessed. She's beautiful. She's the best that there is out there. And she has money, aka being German, and having an EU passport. Of course, this comes with a couple of difficulties, like having too much good also means she's a little autistic, but that's okay. That's something that I think us men need to admit that we love in women. Just to give a little reference, I am Peruvian, okay? So I am broke, and yeah, I'm pretty broke. I'm not gonna lie. Let's get where that conversation ends. And so she is scientifically confirmed to just overpower me in possibly every single way, except for the fact that I'm a man. Haha, joke's on you. The thing is, she's not just impressive because of her achievements and her good looks. The truth is, it lies in her values, okay? Her kindness, patience, are absolutely next level. Her boundaries, my goodness, crystal clear. And in an age where people goes faster than Wi-Fi, she's consistent, persistent, and always shows up, especially for me, her boyfriend. Babe, I love you so much. Hey guys, Danny Cam here again. And now that we have gone through the why section of this video, I want to go into the how section because the why cannot be explained without how it can be done. Yes, that makes sense. So, here's a breakdown of how she actually operates as peak human. Here's the thing. Peak people don't just wake up peak, okay? I mean, like even your favorite celebrities, I don't know, Chris Hemsworth or Robert Downey Jr. or Tom Cruise or, I don't know, Michael Jackson. They're not born peak. R.I.P. Michael Jackson. They're not born peak, okay? She works hard, and I mean fucking hard, okay? Whether it's school, work, or pushing through hard times. She doesn't just tap out when things get rough. She preserves, and I've seen it up close. Life throws the kind of stuff at her that would make most people crumble. But she just keeps going. Now here's the wild one, okay? She's considerate, like genuinely considerate, okay? She doesn't just think about herself. She thinks about other people, especially me, and she draws boundaries, the kind most people are too scared to draw. Now that's power. You know what that means for me? Zero drama, zero insecurity, and zero wondering where we stand. Now that's relationship heaven. To bring this video towards closer to the end, because I know, baby, it might not have a good attention span, and I will try the editing to be attentive, but I will do my best. So what do you get when you combine kindness, persistence, boundaries, and beauty that should be illegal? You get someone who's not just girlfriend material, okay? She's wife material. And no, I don't mean in some outdated 1950s way. I mean, she's someone who can actually build a life with. Someone who makes you better, challenges you, supports you, and also makes you question how you got so lucky. In a world full of people trying to be different, my girlfriend's not just different, she's peak. And the crazy thing is, you could be peak too. But you just can't be like her because she's already peaked, so you might be peaking for yourself, but her peak peaks yours, if you understand what I mean. It's like you're trying to be Everest, like she's Everest and you're trying to be like her, but you're just Kilimanjaro, you know, like you just can't do it, okay? It's like you're trying to be Michael Jackson, but you're 21 Pilots. Like you're peaking, but you're not there, you know. You get what I mean. No, I don't have anything for Michael Jackson. And to end off this video, baby, if you're watching, and I know you are, because I'm probably gonna send this link to you, because I'm gonna post it on YouTube, since I can't send videos this large. Anyways, at least you'll know that a lot of people will see me declaring my love for you. Regardless, thank you for being everything that you are. You have been a tremendous part of my life. You have helped me through thick and thin, and there is literally no way I can even think about fully repaying you for everything that you have been in a part of our relationship. But I guess the only thing I can tell you and remind you every day is I love you. And I'm excited to see where life takes us in the future. Cut. That's right, bitch.